हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका आर्यन ट्रेडिंग आइडियाज़ में। तो आज हम आईआरसीटीसी का एनालिसिस करने वाले हैं। तो इसमें एनालिसिस करने से पहले हम जान लेते हैं कि आईआरसीटीसी स्प्लिट होने के बाद उसमें मासिव सेलिंग आई थी। अभी सेलिंग के बाद अभी बाइंग मोमेंटम आया है। तो वो कैसे हम जान सकते हैं कि हम अभी ये शेयर पर्टिकुलर में एंट्री कर सकते हैं। तो मैंने यहाँ पे एक डेली का चार्ट लगाया है। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं डे का चार्ट लगाया है और उसमें मैं फॉर स्विंग ट्रेडिंग में फॉलो करता हूँ हैकी नेशन कैंडल क्योंकि ये फेल्स सिग्नल से हमें बचाता है। तो सो बिफोर मेकिंग ए एंट्री हमें पहले चेकआउट करना चाहिए कि ये स्टॉक हाईली ब्रॉट है या हाईली सोल्ड है। तो उसका और आइदर इट इज़ इन बाइंग जोन और सेलिंग जोन, सो वी कैन से। सो यहाँ पे मैंने एक RSI इंडिकेटर लगाया है। तो आप भी यहाँ से यहाँ पे जाके इंडिकेटर में जाके RSI करके एक सर्च कर देते हो SI, तो आपको एक रिलेटिव स्ट्रेंथ इंडेक्स करके इंडेक्स मिल जाएगा। तो आपको इसको सेट करें तो ये RSI इंडिकेटर ऑटोमेटिकली सेव होगा। तो सेटिंग कुछ भी चेंज नहीं किए हैं, बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट RSI इंडिकेटर की जो भी सेटिंग है वैसे एज इट इज़ उसको सेट करना है। तो यहाँ पे RSI को हम चेक कर सकते हैं कि डे चार्ट पे हम यहाँ पे चेक कर सकते हैं RSI इज़ अराउंड 50। तो इट इज़ शोइंग दैट इट इज़ अराउंड 40। सो 40 ये एक जो लेवल है वो एक बाइंग लेवल माना जाता है। और 80 जो लेवल होता है तो वो ओवरसोल्ड लेवल माना जाता है, जहाँ पे मोस्ट प्रोबेबली जो बायर्स रहते हैं जहाँ पे सेल आउट एग्जिट पोजीशन एग्जिट करके निकल जाते हैं। तो जैसे ही RSI ये 80 अबव जाता है तो मोस्ट ऑफ दी बायर्स वहाँ से निकल जाते हैं। तो हम भी वही सिनेरियो यूज़ करेंगे। अगर हम इज गोज बिलो 40 और नियर बाय 40 देन इट इज़ इन बाइंग जोन, and if it is go above 80 then it is in the overbought zone। so वहाँ से हम एग्जिट करके निकल जाएंगे। तो सेम स्ट्रेटेजी हम ये यहाँ पे यूज़ करेंगे। तो आप इंडिया मार्ट का चार्ट देख सकते हैं। फर्स्टली हम उसके सपोर्ट लेवल देखेंगे। स्प्लिट होने के बाद उसमें एक बहुत ज़्यादा सेलिंग आई थी, जहाँ से एक हमारे फॉरेन इन्वेस्टर्स और डोमेस्टिक इन्वेस्टर्स वो भी एग्जिट हो गए थे। तो उसकी वजह से ड्रास्टिकली वहाँ से एक सेलिंग का प्रेशर आया था। देन स्टॉक जो है उसने बहुत नीचे लो लगाया था, इज़ अराउंड 640 और 45 समथिंग अराउंड है। तो वहाँ पे लोअर कैंडल उसमें फॉर्म किया था डे कैंडल का। तो उसके बाद वो रिट्रेस होके ऊपर गया है। सो इट इज़ इंडिकेट दैट कि जो उसका डाउनफॉल था तो वो एक स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट बनाया उसने 640 और 45 अराउंड। एंड वहाँ से वो फिर अगले दिन ही हमने अनदर बॉटम लेवल नहीं देखे, डायरेक्टली हम यहाँ पे दो ग्रीन कैंडल देख चुके हैं। लाइक एक ग्रीन कैंडल और दूसरी यहाँ पे ख़त्म हुई है। इज शोइंग दैट लाइक कि इट्स the last candle that we can see here, it is showing a small edge at the bottom, so which is indicate that it's a bullish pattern. Then we can see that we can take a trade above this particular candle here. Let me draw that particular line. Okay, something around here. Yeah, so we can draw the particular trend line. We can enter around here and we can go from here to the above line. So if you know the patterns that we have currently, it is forming support line here. तो यहाँ से ऊपर गया था, then it is trying to made अपर लेवल सर्किट। देन यहाँ से एक ड्रास्टिकली फॉल आया था, जहाँ पे हमने एक सपोर्ट फॉर्म किया था यहाँ पे। देन यहाँ पे सपोर्ट लेके वो रिट्रेसमेंट करके ऊपर जाएगा। तो इट इज़ अनदर फॉर्मिंग समथिंग लाइक दिस, एंड अगेन इट्स ट्राई टू break out the resistance area. If it is not it is go above the particular trend line and again come down to the particular straight or something like this, then fan is forming like pattern like this. So it is possible to it can make a M pattern. So currently it is trading at the particular this level, so we can enter after this candle high something around that 870 870. So we can enter in 870. Currently it is trading at 850. If we can check the risk reward, the percentage we are getting for the particular trade. So from here, no, from here. So from here, if we go for the long to this level, yeah, just a second, from this level, okay. Okay, so it will give around 30% of return for the particular trade. So so everyone is executed from the IRCTC because the rallies get over. So the investors who like that particular IRCTC, because it's a monopoly business in the IRCTC, so no one is there with the competitor for this particular stock. So no need to no need to worry about that particular stock. So it is a very good stock to keep it in a portfolio. So I recommend that at least keep some of the quantities in your long-term portfolio, because in the future it will give you a massive income, like around at 3 or 4 times for the particular trading. So currently it is trading at 850. So in future maybe it goes around the 200 or 2000 to level 2200. Yeah, so around that. So again it is a good stock to trade. And we can see here the maximum of that particular trend can goes take duration is it is showing not from here. Second, it is around, it will take around 25 to 30 days, around 1 month for the particular stick. Or maybe if it is consolidating in this way, let me draw again. If it is consolidating in from here, you try to consolidate in like this. So again hold the particular stock for a long, and then you try to like going like this way, and then upside movement like this. So no need to worry. So it will take maximum of consider that particular stock as it is already given the bullish environment here. You can see that so it is goes up to the particular stock, and which will give us a which will give you the 30% of uh, profit in the particular trade. So yeah, so again this will act as the particular trade, as if you don't want to uh, what I do is like in the most of the trade, when it is going up towards this level, you can see is the peak of the particular candles 1 2 3, and this is the 4. So what I'll do is so I will form one trend line, minimal trend line in the particular frame here. Yeah, so firstly what I'll do is, so I will take a trade, and I, as we know that like trade goes to a particular trend, and again try to like make another form. So here from here till this trend, we can book 12% of profit, and you can exit your stock, and then again watch for the it is going downside or the up movement. So say for example it is going from here, here from it is, sorry, clear that. Okay, so from here it is going from here to this way, all the way here, and trying to like break the particular resistance. If it's not possible, if you see that particular trend is reversing from the particular resistance, then you can exit from the particular positions, and then it is going down. If it is going down, then again take a trade, another trade from this swing low, and then always take another positions, and then goes up to the this low. Again, if it is going upside, up momentum from this particular resistance, if it is possible to break the particular resistance, then it will go upside in this way. If it is not breakdown from the particular string, it is going down. It is consolidating in a sideways. So yeah, so firstly what I'll do is, like in my case, I will do the 12% of profit booking in the particular swing. And if it is going further like this way, if it is break the first resistance and accumulate here, from here it will accumulate something like this and taking a resistance on this particular trend line, and in moving up from this particular trend line to the up momentum, like something like this, and it will go to the break the upper circuit, upper trend line. Then this is the right trend to take another positions. So again, here we can check out the particular trend. Here something like I have entered something like here, and then goes up to the particular trend. So again I can book around mm, yeah, around this. Yeah, again I can book around the 11% and 12%, 23% almost. So if we exited from this particular trend, so we will reduce our profit in the particular trend, like by the 4 5%, because this gap is there. As a safe side, we do this trick in the professional trading. But if you are sure enough to, like this stock will definitely goes to the break the particular resistance, no matter whatever, it will consolidate in this, like two around the 1 or 2 months, then it is fine. If you are a swing trader, you need to book every swing profits in every swing momentum. So then you can divide your trading into two positions, like this one with the 12%, and this one is around the 10 or 12%, so around that. So yeah, so you can also give your shots to the IRCTC. So this is it. This is the swing strategy that I have given you, the analysis of the IRCTC. So again friend, this is based on the educational purpose. This video is only for the educations, to understand how that particular stocks need to be traded using the swing strategy. So guys, don't go for as you are a beginner, so don't go for the intraday. Most of the trader end up with the loss in the intradays. I don't like the intraday, because it has a lot of volatility in the trade, and most probably it will give you the losses at the end. So at the beginner level, I recommended you guys to do at least delivery based trading, like the swing trading, which will give you the profit available at the end of the month or end of the year. So that's it. So that's it from my side, guys. Thank you so much, and take care. Have a nice day.